Hello, welcome back to my channel Maison Network. Today I just bought this just came this hair dryer, new hair dryer. So let's unboxing and review. So wait, yeah. So this is the description. Some of the pictures in the description. Okay, and then description here. And it's only 27 ringgit 55, very cheap. And then specification. Okay, so let's unboxing. I will give the link after this below the video, so if you're interested. So let's unboxing. So see, this is the on the side. Yeah, great. Okay, front, I mean a back side, and the other side. Below, on top. So let's unboxing. So nozzle, okay, and then the hair dry manual, and then the hair dryer. Cool, hotter, level 1, level 2, level, and it's 5000 watt. It's supposed to be very hot. So it came with this, not for Malaysian market, for China market I guess, but yeah, it's 27 ringgit. What do you expect? So thank you very much for watching. Bye bye.